We have to be selective with our cultural consumption, particularly in these days of social media. You must have a filter. Social media, entertainment, they are the vehicles with which ideological narratives are being spread in our homes. We are having people come up challenging, lay down rules of Islam because of what they've heard online, because of continuous consumption of these things that are at variance with what Islam has laid down. You have people saying that, okay, why is it the case that women are the ones that are supposed to submit in marriage? In Islam, in Christianity, it is the man that is the head of the home. If you are married, if you are not married, you can be your own boss. Immediately you step into marriage, you do not have any other thing than to submit. The husband is the head of the home, the wife is the minister of interior or the minister of home affairs, and then the children are the commoners. Right? This is what the Quran says. Ar-rijalu qawwamuna ala nisa. We will not say because you have learned how to speak like an European and bend a Sharia that is 1,400 years old. Apart from the fact that is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who knows us, has revealed. We will not bend our Sharia because of this. It is you that will need to bend your own rules. And a lot of other issues that people bring in. The people push their ideology through social media, through entertainment, and then they come and have this negative effect on our homes.